Very good morning, students. How are you? Okay, fine. Welcome back to in our social online class. Are you happy? Okay, yes. Are you ready to study? Okay, listen. Now we are studying. The lesson is the earth is unique. Geography lesson 7. The earth is unique. Okay. From there we learned the surface of the earth, then the atmosphere. In our last class we learned the atmosphere. Then next topic, the distance of the earth from the sun. The distance of the earth from the sun. First we learned in our earth divided in 4 parts. 3 out of 4 part of the earth is covered with water. Only one part is land. This you know, right? Then we learned atmosphere. Atmosphere, this air is around us. Then we can feel but couldn't see the air. Then the presence of air on the earth and the importance of our life. Then the atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful rays. Okay, ma'am? Did you know some fridges and air conditioners, air conditioner AC in homes, offices, vehicles and aircraft use a gas called CFC. We have to open the fridge. That time one gas is come outside, right? That gas is called CFC. CFC, okay, which harms the atmosphere in some places. Okay, harmful rays. This is harmful rays, very dangerous. Okay, this harmful rays from the sun enter through this part of the atmosphere and make people very ill. Okay, very dangerous gas that is. Okay, that gases come from fridges, AC, air conditioners, then office, in homes, offices, then vehicles also one has come outside, right? Then aircraft. Okay, this gas called CFC. Okay, this is, you have to don't breathe this gas. Okay, you have to open the fridge, then anything keep inside. That your face don't show that straight. Okay, you have to don't breathe. Okay, this is harmful ray. Okay, harmful rays. Okay, ma'am. Then many years ago people thought that the earth was flat. Okay, this today's portion is the shape of the earth. Okay, before you listen the before topic, the distance of the earth from the sun, right? That is there we land. They have land on. We already we land the sun. Okay, in our last chapter, the sun and this has helped life to exist on the earth. If the earth were any closer to the sun, right distance, correct distance from the sun, we are this earth located in correct distance from the sun, so that get correct temperature, heat, light, everything. So people, plants, animals, living things, everything live on the earth. Okay, this everything we learned. Today's topic is the shape of the earth. Have you seen globe? Yes, see here, this is globe. This is globe. A globe is a small model of the earth that shows us its exactly shape. This shows us earth's exactly shape. Okay, this is a globe. Okay, a globe is a small model of the earth. This is model of the earth. Okay, a globe is a model of the earth. Okay, the shape of the earth is similar to the shape of the orange. Or have you seen orange fruit? Okay, the shape of the earth is similar to the shape of the orange. Okay, the earth is not perfectly round. Round is not round. but top and bottom flat. Okay, like a ball, but not perfectly round like a ball. Ball round shape, no, not perfectly round, but flat on both ends. Both ends means top and bottom. Okay, top and bottom is flat like an orange. Okay, orange round shape, but the top and bottom little flat. Same like our earth also. Okay, not a safe, not a exactly ball like a ball. Okay, the earth is not completely round in shape. The shape of our planet is like an orange. Okay, it slightly flattened at the top and bottom. Okay, the center part of the planet has a slight bulge. Okay, okay, ma, light little. Bulge means வீங்கி இருக்குது போல், கொஞ்சம் தடிஸ் அப்படி தட்டையாக இருக்குது, தட்டை. ஓகே, தமிழ் மீனிங் இஸ் தட்டை. ஓகே, அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் மா? தென் the earth is round, we know, but it seems flat to us. Okay, this is because it is very big, very big, we know, right? Its shape is called a sphere. This shape is called round. This is not a round shape, top and bottom flat. This shape is called sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay, the earth is a little flat at two ends. Already told, no? Like an orange. Look closely at the shape of an orange to understand this. Okay, see, you know that two edge flat. Okay, the earth, see this picture, the earth is slightly flat at the top and the bottom. Okay, understand ma? Today this much enough. Today we learned shape of the earth. That which shape is sphere shape. Sphere spelling S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere shape. Right, understand? Very big in size, shape round like a not exactly round, top and bottom flat. Okay, okay, that bulge. Okay, B-U-L-G-E, that is தட்டை meaning is தட்டையாக இருக்கும், like that we are, that is Tamil meaning. Okay, ma? Could you understand? Do you have any doubt? Please ask our Zoom class. Okay, all of you take your book, turn to page number 58 completed. Roman letter A completed, book back exercise 58 completed, 59 we can see 59. Okay, today's portion. Roman letter B also completed. This I once reading. You have to listen. Color the land green. This is okay, land green and the water blue. Okay, fill in the blanks. The surface of the earth is nearly 3 parts water and about 1 part land. Water spelling W-A-T-E-R, land spelling L-A-N-D, land. Then second one, all life exists of the dash of the earth. Answer is surface. Surface of the earth. S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface. Okay. Today we are going to study Roman letter C. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay. Listen. First one. As we go higher, we find it difficult to breathe because, answer, there is less air, we become very tired. Which is the answer? Already we studied. There is less air. Okay, so you have to circle here. First answer. Okay, yeah. Clear? As we go higher, we find it difficult to breathe because there is less air. Okay, clear? Then second one. The sun is, first option first, A option, as far away from the earth as the moon is. Second answer, further away from Earth than the moon. This is second is correct answer. Okay, so you have to underline or circle it. Okay, the sun is further away from the earth than the moon. Okay, then third one, the earth is like an orange because, first answer, it is soft like an orange. Second answer, it is flat at the top and bottom. Answer is, it is flat at the top and bottom. Right? B answer. Clear, ma? Understand? Then fourth one. Third one, listen. The earth is like an orange because it is flat at the top and the bottom. Okay. Then fourth one. Life is possible on earth because, first answer, there is water to drink, air to breathe, and warmth and light from the sun. Second answer, the sun gives out harmful rays. Answer is, correct answer, there is first A. Okay. Life is possible on earth because there is water to drink, air to breathe, and warmth and light from the sun. Okay. Then fifth one. We must look after the earth because, first answer, it is very beautiful. Second answer, it is home to people, plants and animals. Answer is B. It is home to people, plants and animals. We must look after the earth because it is home to people, plants and animals. Listen once. As we choose the right answer, as we go higher, we find it difficult to breathe because there is less air. Second one, the sun is further away from earth than the moon. Third one, the earth is like an orange because it is flat at the top and the bottom. Then fourth one, life is possible on earth because there is water to drink, air to breathe, and warmth and light from the sun. Then fifth one, we must look after the earth because it is home to people, plants and animals. Okay, right? Then match the following. We can see in our next class. Then third question. First two questions. I said no. Then third question. See here, third question. How do we know that the earth is round? How do we know the earth is round? Answer. The pictures of earth taken from space show us that it is round and shaped like an orange, a little flat at the two ends. Okay. The answer. How do we know that the earth is round? The pictures, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures of earth taken from space, S-P-A-C-E, space, show us that it is round, R-O-U-N-D, round, and shaped like an orange, a little flat at the two ends, F-L-A-T, flat, T-W-O, ends, E-N-D-S, ends. Okay, then question number 4. What is the shape of the earth is called? What is the shape of the earth is called? Sphere shape. I taught now. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere shape. Okay. What is the shape of the earth is called? The shape of the earth is called a sphere. Answer is sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Okay. What is the shape of the earth is called? The shape of the earth is called a sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere shape. Okay. Shall I read once again? How do we know that the earth is round? The pictures of earth taken from space show us that it is round and shaped like an orange, a little flat at the two ends. Fourth one. What is the shape of the earth is called? The shape of the earth is called a sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Okay. Today this much enough. All should study well. Stay safe. Stay at home. Do you have any doubt? Please ask me. Thank you. Bye. Meet again.